The OE style black housing headlights that we have here today will be an affordable factory styled options for all 99 to 04 owners who might just be looking to freshen things up but without breaking the bank. Now these guys will combine an aggressive black housing with a crystal clear reflector and lens and will be both DOT and SAE compliant for right around that low $100 price point. Install, at least according to the site, is going to be an incredibly soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. They call it an hour to complete from start to finish, but I'm sure most of you guys will get it done in half that time. But if you hang with me for a bit, we'll walk you through that later in the video. All right, so first and foremost, guys, I'm a big fan of these particular lights. In fact, if I had a New Edge Mustang, I would probably throw these guys on, but that's neither here nor there. I think these lights are gonna be great for the New Edge owners who prefer that simple and clean look of a factory styled headlight, but you don't need any crazy accent lighting or LEDs or dark smoke lenses or anything like that. Instead, these are going to adhere to a very similar recipe to that of your OE or factory lights, but with subtle inclusions like the black housing and the clear reflectors, both of which make for a nice aggressive change from the faded stockers that you're gonna be replacing. Now, construction-wise, you're gonna find a black ABS housing here or base that you guys can see right there. It is topped off with a crystal clear lens. The lens itself is polycarbonate, impact resistant, of course, and the entire package has been sealed up nice and tight to help prevent any moisture or condensation getting inside the lens itself over the years. Last but not least, guys, I really want to point this out here. These reflectors, typically from the factory or even some aftermarket options, are done in orange or amber, but in this particular case, they've been given the clear treatment, which I just think helps increase the look, in my opinion, and makes for a nice subtle change. Now the lights do not include any brand new headlight bulbs, so you have a couple of options. You can either just transfer over your existing bulbs or use this as an opportunity to upgrade if needed. Finally, again, guys, these lights have been given both the DOT and the SAE stamp of approval, and that's just gonna make them legal for use in all 50 states. But now let's shift gears and talk about the install. And even though the site does go 2 out of 3 wrenches here on the difficulty meter, I actually think this is probably one of the easier headlights you'll ever remove on a Mustang. You got 2 tabs, you'll lift right up, the entire assembly will come out, swap your bulbs, do your thing, throw the new guys in, and you're good to go. But to give you a detailed description of how everything will go down, check out our detailed walkthrough right now, along with a quick tool breakdown.
Hey guys, now for this uninstall and installation, it's going to be very simple using no hand tools at all. First, we're going to remove the 2 clips at the top of the headlight to get this out and use the same clips to get them back in on the new set. Now again, at the top of the headlight, there's a couple clips holding your headlight in place. What you do is take the tab and pull it straight up. And with them removed, you can take your headlight straight out. Now that your headlight is unseated, unplug your harnesses from the back of them, one located directly in the middle and one on the side for the side marker. Now that we have our headlight out, we do need to pull the bulbs since we are reusing them. Now it's simply a turn of the ring here on the main headlight so you can release the bulb from there. And for your side marker, it's a simple turn on that as well and pull out. And now we can place our bulbs into our new housing, reversing the steps that we did to take them out of our original style. Now that your bulbs are in place, you can take your harnesses and plug them in as well. And get your new headlight seated in place. Don't forget to replace your clips on the backside of the new headlight housing. And repeat those steps on the opposite side. And that's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the OE style headlights with black housing and clear lens fitting your 99 to 04 Mustang. For more videos just like this, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.